If you use the word sorry one more time, I'll take you off this case. Really? You hear me?
Sorry, sir. I'm not sorry, sir.
That's Celine. Go home. Get some rest. And make sure you report for work.
Thank you, sir. It's okay to thank you, right?
Celine, go. Use this door.
Okay.
Come. Excellent. Have a seat. So how have you been?
I've been good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Come. All right, the gang's all here. Have a seat. So how's your daughter?
She's good. She actually started back school now.
Great. I'm happy to have our father around. Okay. I wanted to see both of you separately, but this will work. I have a task for you. I know I took you off the front line, but I'm going to need you back there, if it's even for a while. Do you still remember how to camouflage yourself?
Very well, sir.
Good. We'll put that to the test. I have somebody I need you to keep track of. His name is Zero. You have seen him. I think you call him Yankee.
Same brother
Yeah.
from Tappy.
Yeah. Now he has seen you, which is going to make your disguise even more important. So whatever you can put into it, limp, shuffle, whatever. If you want to turn woman, I don't care. Now, I am going to let you know where to start that surveillance. I have my reasons because he has propped up on your radar. Oh. See those 2 pieces of roadkill that ended up in the bushes? His phone number is in the phones you recovered from them. Alright, boss. And I don't think, like you do, there are no coincidences, not in this business.
So, what you're trying to say is that Zero, who he's going to put a tailor, is responsible for the 2 men who went missing in the bush. So, why you don't ask me and whisper? Let us go get rid of Zero.
Because he has information we need. And I know your proclivity for not wasting any time in removing infestations. I need him alive, if he's even for a little more, and I'll explain it to you in a very short while. You have someone who can go on taking care of your little one, pick her up from school and all of that.
Yeah.
Great. Matter of fact, I think I know who that might be. Right, Mr. Water Commission Man?
What? Wait there. 1 for the team.
Actually, it's 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let me get to the nitty-gritty. This Zero, soon to be actually Zero, before all of this came out, has been trailing your newly returned wife.
Wife?
Yeah. Wife. Oh, I don't mean Bubbles. I mean Marcy. You remember Marcy, right? Marcy of Kingston Jerk fame. That's where you two met again recently, yes?